Drone Delivery Canada has been setting the standard for innovation in the drone industry since 2014, leading the way with our Sparrow drone, to opening up even greater possibilities with the Condor long-range heavy payload drone. DDC is constantly reimagining the way you deliver. We're excited to welcome the new era of drone deliveries with the introduction of the Canary RPA, which will reshape the landscape of the last mile of delivery. The Canary is the latest in the next generation of drones under 25 kilograms. A game changer in the drone delivery space. The Canary will allow organizations to fly over people, opening up the airspace to suburban and urban deliveries. A lightweight composite design and an integrated cargo drop functionality with a parachute recovery system. The Canary drone offers reliability with speed and precision. A fully electric drone with a range of up to 20 kilometers and a payload capacity of approximately 4 kilograms. Perfectly suited for medical and pharmaceutical, remote communities, courier, cargo, and retail. Drive forward and elevate your business by complementing current operations with drone deliveries, allowing organizations to access new hard-to-reach markets, create ancillary revenues, improve operational efficiency, reach your market in a whole new way, and reimagine the way you deliver. For more information on how the Canary can help your business, please email us at sales@dronedeliverycanada.com.